Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome to my channel. Today, we have another Coach Signature Denim video, as well as a quick unwrapping by Dooney and Bourke. So what I'm going to do in this video, is I am going to unwrap this. I did mention this in a previous video, and I'm going to show you what fits in the Signature Denim Coach Laurel. And this is the large. As you see, y'all, I have it fully jeweled out with charms and everything. Also, a quick tip that I am going to share with you all, that this was not intentional. I guess you could, I don't want to call it an accident. Like, I literally was planning on using, this is a a strap extender. And I wanted to add this strap extender onto this bag so that this chain could drop a little bit lower versus attaching it here. And y'all, I stumbled upon a different way. I haven't seen anyone else do it, so if you all already know about this particular hack, let me know. But y'all, this is a way to have additional space to carry extra charms if you want to. And let me undo it so that you can see it. I'll undo it from this one and then just show you one of them. This is a handbag strap or a chain strap extender. You all have probably seen these before, but this particular one, as you see with the loops here, it does allow for me to hang additional charms from it. And I almost reattached it in the wrong spot. But yeah, so I think this is something I'm going to do going forward, because it keeps me from having so much hanging on the, let me kind of move the camera up a bit. It keeps me from having so much hanging on the top loop, and it allows them all to hang freely here. But keep in mind, if you are carrying additional charms, you will be creating music as you're carrying your bag or as it bumps against your body. So keep that in mind as well. Well, let me go ahead and get to what's inside. I just wanted to share that with you all, and comment and let me know if this is something that you all are already doing or have seen or have done before. And if this is a method that you all like to be able to carry, because I still have room on here for more, but it's not too noisy as you can hear, but it does make some noise. All right, y'all. So let's get to what's inside. And I did share the bag fully dressed on my purse passenger short video. On this side, I do have additional charms as well. This is a little cherry charm here, and it does have my initial there. On that one, it was also my initial was on this one as well. And the back part. So I did detach the straps that came with the bag to try out this strap here. So this is just a solid red adjustable strap, crossbody strap. And to me, it helps this particular bag carry much lighter. It's not a heavy bag, but it literally feels like I don't have anything on my shoulder. And I can also adjust it and wear this as a crossbody as well. I just prefer the wider strap versus the leather strap most of the time. Sometimes I carry the leather strap. And then I do have another chain here with additional red and gold. Okay, let's get to what's inside, y'all. I'm just talking away. So I'm going to show you what I carried in this bag until I actually got the accessories for it. And I am going to do a quick swap out of my accessories. And I do have an organizer in here as well. So as you see, everything is in the organizer. And this is why we're unwrapping the other item, which is the large wristlet, because I've been carrying this wallet. Y'all, I've been in this wallet for a few weeks, and I've actually been enjoying it. This is the Dooney and Bourke Windsor wallet in the color red. And this was the bag that I previously carried it with. Also featured in my purse passenger video, short video. And this is the Dooney and Bourke domed satchel. So, but y'all, I actually don't think that looks bad at all with this particular purse. So I'm gonna stay in it for now. Excuse me. I'll probably switch when I move into the large Rowan, but for now, I don't think that looks bad. I think it goes with the red and gold accessories very well. So I'm gonna keep the wallet, and this is also what I have inside, which is a green or emerald, I believe was the color for it, Coach corner zip wristlet. So what I really did was just a lazy switch out from the dome satchel over to the Coach Laurel. So these accessories here, I am going to just move out of them. But again, just wanted to give you an idea of what I have in here and how this organizer really does help. This is my gum. Keep everything together. This is a detachable center section, so I just have my keys in here and vitamins as well. And let me go ahead and take this out. I have my wristlet strap from my wallet and a comb. So I guess this is a combination of what fits and what's in my bag. And this is the organizer. I also featured this in a previous video as well. And I did get this from Amazon. I haven't even detached the tag for it. I think this was maybe under $10 when I got it. It was one of those lightning deals or today's deals or something like that. So this easily fits in here, y'all. And this was a lazy switch out from my other Coach denim bag. I guess it would be considered vintage, but I'll have to share that in another video. That one is actually featured in Purse Passenger as well in a short video. So I have everything out. This is what it looks like with the organizer in here. Y'all, I didn't even take out this little piece of foam thing. I just said I'll leave that in there. But this is what it looks like with it being empty. And as you see with the organizer, it keeps it from slouching. The only slouch really is just from here with the weight of my strap and the charms and everything. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and unwrap the Carrington so you all can see that, because this is a item that I did mention that once I received it, I would share it with you all. So unwrapping the Carrington first, and then I'm going to go ahead and swap out the other accessories into my denim accessories. And I'm wondering how this is going to fit into the bag, because it is a very large wristlet. Excuse me. Did they put the name on here? They did. So it actually does say Carrington wristlet here, and the color for red, or code for red, and Windsor as well. And I don't believe anything on the hang tag for it. It's just the same codes. Let me know, y'all, if you think that this takes away from the denim or if it's a good pairing. I think this, with it being so big, possibly so. The wallet is shorter, so I think that kind of adds a good touch to it. But let me know what you all think. A quick look at the Carrington. If you have not seen my previous videos with the unboxing of the Carringtons, it is like a mini purse with 6 card slots inside, a little zipper pocket here on the interior, and a slip pocket here. And these were on sale. I'm not sure what the price of them are now, or if they're still available. They were under $40 for this wristlet. It's a pretty good sized wristlet to have. So what I'm going to do, like I said, is go ahead, pause for the cause, and for sake of time, swap out from the Windsor accessories and the emerald. I'm not going to continue with this one either, the emerald wristlet, and move over into my denim accessories, and I shall return. Alright, y'all, so I got everything switched over, and I was actually able to put my keys and my gum that I had and my vitamins in this particular middle compartment of the organizer. I fit everything into the Carrington, so I won't need the divider in there anymore. I did take the wristlet strap off of the Carrington, but I'll still keep this one in. This one goes on the wallet. I'll keep this one in the bag. So y'all, let's see how it fits. And as I said, I am enjoying carrying this this Laurel. It is a very comfortable carry. So I am going to have to make myself move out of it so that I can carry the Rowan. I think I should put this in first. Wallet next. The corner zip. And then you can actually stand the corner zip up over here, and then put in my double zip. And as I mentioned you all in the unboxing for this video, and I'll link that in the description, you can't really go wrong with the wristlets because it's going to hold a lot, and it also doubles as a wallet as well. But that's it, y'all. That's everything in there. Keys, everything's in here except for my phone. And I can very easily put my phone in here as well. Like I mentioned before, this particular bag does not have outside pockets, but the height and the dimensions, all of the dimensions of this bag makes up for it not having an outside pocket. So that's how everything looks inside. I am going to it's gonna be a lazy switch out when I move into my Rowan, because I'm already in my denim accessories, and then I'll decide if I want to stay in my Windsor pieces or not, or move over to other pieces, probably the leather ones that I shared in the unboxing of the large Rowan. So that's it, y'all. Video's not too long. This was just a quick update on this beautiful bag here. Oh, I did not put my wristlet strap inside. As far as any updates on the release date for the official release date of this bag, y'all, I am still getting these January the 30th is the date that I'm getting as far as the release date for online. I have a feeling that that date could possibly be moved up to the 29th. So absolutely, I would say keep an eye out for on the website. If you have already enrolled in the notifications, keep an eye out for your email and all of that. I was very blessed to be able to have early access to this particular silhouette, as well as the Rowan. And limited quantities were released for early access. So I'm glad, like I said before, I was able to get this for you all to see, and that will actually help you all decide on which bag that you want to choose, because everyone does not have a physical location close by, a Coach outlet close by to actually go in and get bags. So online is really convenient for a lot of people. So I really hope that these videos have helped. I have enjoyed reading you all's comments. Like I said, I am still trying to catch up on replying to everybody. But thank you so much for all of the positive feedback and the comments. You all are just as excited about this collection as I am. And a lot of people are still trying to decide which silhouette they want to actually add to their collection, which one they would want to get, which is understandable because they are two totally different silhouettes. I did share a short video of the Ashton that I saw in store that has the two small cargo pockets on the front. So you all, the day is fastly approaching. So pretty soon, just like I said, keep your notifications on. And I think that this is definitely going to have to be a collection that they're going to have to restock on probably more than once. If they're going to release limited quantities online, they're going to absolutely have to restock more than once. And that's going to absolutely keep everyone kind of keeping an eye out for it, because the outlets can only have so much or so many in their inventory. But that's it, y'all. Like I said, I didn't want to make this video too long. Thank you again so much for watching, commenting, liking, subscribing, and sharing. I really do appreciate it. I look forward to reading you all's comments, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And as always, have a very, very wonderful day.